Hello, traders, and welcome to the PL Capital Market Review. I'm your host, Paul. Today is Saturday, May 27th, and in this video, I want to look at the S&P, Nasdaq, and oil. So let's start. All right, we'll start with the upcoming economic calendar. Short trading week this week due to Memorial Day in the U.S., but a very impactful week with data points coming out. So we got Wednesday, we got the JOLTS job openings. Thursday is ADP employment, the usual weekly jobless claims. We also have global manufacturing PMI and the ISM manufacturing PMI. So a lot of data there. And then Friday, the big one, non-farm payrolls. And if that's not enough, then we still have the hanging ceiling debt discussions going on. So they'll most likely be dragging that out till the end, probably the end of the week, and expect a resolution at that point. But it'll definitely cause some fear. All right, so let's move on to the chart. Start with the S&P. This is the futures contract. So big update yesterday, and it looks to me like they're creating an expanding ending diagonal. So I got this labeled 1, 2, 3, and then that was that big drop 4. And now we're going to go up in 3 waves and take out that 42, 44 level. So if I drill in, there's a couple of ways to count all this. What's easiest right now is that we've had this expanding flat here. So 1, 2, and then we had a 3 and a 4. And now it looks like they're creating an ending diagonal for this 5th wave. So because I only see here's a 1, 2, 3 for 1, and then they came down in 3. That's 2. So I expect some choppy 3, 4, and the 5. It might take out that 42.77 prior high, or they might stop just short, but it doesn't matter. And that'll complete this whole wave. And then it's a matter of how they're going to count this. So this is definitely a 1, 2. It's just a matter of if that's going to be part of the impulse, or if that's the because we need 3 waves, that could be like the A, B, and now this is all going to be 5 waves for a C. We won't know until the end. So, but either way, so when this 5th wave here up here ends, then I'm thinking that this is 1, 2, and then when that ends, that'll be 3. And it could be above here or whatever. And then they'll correct for a 4 and then go back up for a 5. But the counting doesn't really matter. It's the end goal, and the end result is, we're coming up here. Take out this 42, 44 level. So, when we get closer, then we'll know exactly where the counts are, and we'll have a better idea of, are they just going to just creep across 42, 44, and then that's the 5th wave, or maybe we're getting close, but there's still more room to go. So they might be targeting who knows, 43 or higher. So we'll have to wait and see just how this little area plays out, but still looking for a lot more upside on the S&P. All right, Nasdaq. So also explosive day yesterday. And to me, I've got this label that here's a 1, 2 running flat, 3, 4 expanding flat, and now we're in the 5th wave, and the same thing. It looks like there's a little running flat right here, and then this looks like a 1, 2. So at some point, this wave up is going to end 3, and then we need a 4 and a 5. And then that'll correct, and then we'll still go back up. So just like the S&P, there's more to go. But the Nasdaq, obviously, we're at it, at the high of the year. So, we're the S&P, we know that we have to go and take out this 42, 44 level. The Nasdaq's already taken out its high, so like there's no target level that we know for sure we have to go up to. So this one will just be, you have to count the waves and know exactly when that fifth wave is getting close to the end. But definitely more upside in the Nasdaq too. All right, let's look at oil. Actually, before we look at oil, let's take a quick look at the rig count. So a while back I brought this up when we were having, there's like too much supply and everything, and they have really been decreasing the rig counts for oil and gas. But for oil, I mean, the last 3 weeks, I mean, -3, -2, big week where they dropped -11, -5. So they're continually decreasing the oil rigs, and then also for gas, natural gas. This week was really crucial. That 16. So way back here is when I made a video and I said that -8, that was the largest weekly decrease in rigs going back to, I think it was October of 2017. So that was pretty big. But then they kind of just were adding and slowly decreasing, but now gas too is also on the decrease. So I think they're seeing for natural gas, obviously they're seeing the price go down, so that it doesn't make much sense to increase the supply. So it's nice to see that the rigs are coming down, which should give both of these a boost. Okay, just wanted to bring that up, just something to be aware of. So let's get back to the chart. And not much has changed in the chart from my video I made yesterday. I still see this as a running flat right here, and got a little bit more up today. And I think if they can break that high right there, let me get there, 73.05, then we'll have 5 ways, and it'll be kind of ugly, kind of like a leading diagonal format. So once they break I'll feel good that we're going to go up and take out this high here. So if they can break that, then that'll be a leading diagonal, and then you'll get some type of correction, and then one more up, and then we'll be able to see, are they going to come and take out this 74, 73 level before they take out this level? Because if I'm right, they'll come in and break 74, 73 before coming back down, and then this was a running flat. So I'm expecting them to come and take that out. So, but first the price has got to come up and take out 73.05, and the sooner they do it, the better, because then that'd be a nice leading diagonal, and that'll make me feel better that that's just the first part of 5 waves coming up. So first things first, 73.05. If you're not already in, I'd wait for them to break that and then give a pullback, and then you could probably still buy 72 to 72.5, somewhere in there. I would think once they break that, they should be coming back. They might even come back all 71, who knows. But I think there's a lot more, and like I said, I still think at least 77 is the target that they'll be targeting. All right, so that's what I see on those markets. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your likes and support. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.